Hello, this is Stampy, second biggest fans weather news channel, and welcome to a weather channel about a water spout that just hit yesterday on Pensacola Beach. It was very terrifying for us. Well, not really that terrifying, but I live in Pensacola, but it wasn't that terrifying. But we had probably say an F0 water spout, but this is Stampy's second fans video. Well, signing out. Okay, hello, this is Stampy's second biggest fan, and welcome to a water spout weather video. I'm doing these videos sometimes. Whenever there's a dangerous weather I heard of, like in Pensacola where I live. I do live in Pensacola, and we did have a water spout last night. I heard that we had a tornado warning, but mostly I'll say it was a water spout tornado warning. But I was scared for a little bit because that would have been my first time to see a tornado. And dangerous weather. I've seen a dangerous weather before, and I was there. I'm talking about very, very dangerous weather than that. Anyway, I will be doing the Stampy second fan weather news channel. I hope you'll be enjoying them. So, Stampy second fan, signing out.